Are you looking for the best lunchbox for college students in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best lunchbox for college students that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Modern Picnic the Luncher. To anyone who believes lunchboxes to be childish, Modern Picnic is here to change your mind. Woman-founded in lead, the brand crafts fashion-forward lunchboxes that look like the designer handbags you'd find in an expensive boutique. Available in a whole host of hues, the exterior of its classic The Luncher bag is made of faux crocodile leather for a modern spin on the mealtime essential. But these bags aren't only stylish, they're also completely functional, thanks to the expertly insulated interior that'll keep whatever foods you pack nice and cold. Inside, you'll also find pockets for utensils, and the bag snaps shut via a magnetic closure. The removable strap can be adjusted between 17 and 20 inches long, or you can carry it via the roomy handle. It's not as large as other options, but can still fit enough for a small to medium-sized meal. Moving on at number 4, we have the Carhartt Deluxe Lunch Cooler Bag. If you're looking for a thoughtfully designed lunchbox that will stand the test of time with durable and insulating materials, consider the Carhartt Deluxe Lunch Cooler. This lunchbox is made by a brand known for quality, long-lasting products, and it's easy to see how much consideration went into the different components. We love the size, which is perfect for holding a hearty meal with 2 snacks yet still compact enough to fit into a shared fridge. The insulated lunch bag has dual compartments made of water-resistant fabric, with a separate insulated top compartment for more delicate items and a front zippered pocket for utensils. There's also an ID tag, a top handle, and a shoulder strap that makes it easy to carry, though it is not removable. Small details like YKK zippers, metal hardware, and triple needle stitching add to the overall quality. We fit our travel coffee cup upright during testing and felt confident about transporting the bag without the mug spilling. The front and top compartments were extra handy since we could grab loose items like snacks without rifling through the entire pack, and we didn't have any spills or leaking issues, even with condensation coming off cold water bottles and soda cans. At number 3, we have the Mier Adult Lunchbox. The Mier Adult Lunchbox is a spacious option that can double as a small cooler for a beach day or picnic. It features 2 large main compartments that provide plenty of space, as well as the ability to separate your cold drinks and hot food. We found that it can fit a full day's worth of food, not just lunch, with space left over. We managed to fit multiple water bottles, although not upright, canned seltzers, food storage containers packed with leftovers, and a full-size tub of hummus inside. It also includes exterior compartments with unique functions. There's even a card holder, and the exterior's tear-resistant Oxford fabric comes in a variety of patterns. We are particularly impressed by how cold the food stayed with just an ice pack tucked in the lunchbox. At number 2, we have the Steambox Electric Lunchbox and Food Warmer. When you don't have access to a microwave to warm food, an electric lunchbox is a unique alternative, and we love this one for its combination of aesthetic and functionality. The Steambox is a thoughtfully designed electric lunchbox that uses a combination of heat and water to gently reheat food so it tastes almost as good as it did when you first cooked it. The tray had plenty of room for a satisfying meal and, because of the sleek bamboo and white design, the whole thing looks sleek enough to leave out on a countertop or desk. Something we recommend, given how heavy the unit is, 4.3 pounds in all. You can always take the tray home to wash it and leave the actual heating element at work. Though we were initially puzzled by the touchscreen controls, a set of FAQs in the directions solved the problem. The lunchbox can't be charged and used at the same time. Once the box was fully charged, though, the controls worked beautifully. You can even control it via a Bluetooth connection to your smartphone. And our food was thoroughly warm within 20 minutes, much quicker than the hour plus other models required. A delicious, warm meal of pasta and meatballs. No microwave or oven required. And finally at number 1. We have the Hydro Flask Large Insulated Lunchbox. This lunchbox earned our best overall spot because it's a nice, medium size, could work for kids or adults, and comes from a brand known for its durability and insulation. If you already trust Hydro Flask's reusable water bottles to keep your drinks cold, we do, you'll be glad to learn that the brand's lunchboxes boast that same powerful insulation. In fact, Hydro Flask's large insulated lunchbox features 2 layers of insulation to keep your food perfectly chilled for hours. Plus, this durable design holds up to countless outings like the brand's trademark bottle. Our testing also proved its well-designed efficiency and performance. The wide open top makes for easy packing and the handle is comfortable to grasp. We like the spacious interior that fits plenty of food, with room to spare, and are impressed by how smoothly the zipper glided open. Available in 4 exterior colors, our favorite is the bright sunflower hue. The lunchboxes also feature fully lined interiors that can be wiped down and cleaned easily, as well as a zippered pocket for utensils and an ice pack. We do wish there was a strap long enough to hook our hand through or to throw over our shoulder, but that isn't a deal breaker. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.